Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm still sick, but I'm feeling a lot better. I just sound very frog-like. Um, but for today's video, I am doing my makeup backwards. So this was a request I got a little bit ago, so I'm finally doing it. It was interesting, and my brows, let's just not pay attention to that. But, I mean, the face looks okay. There's no color. It's just pretty flat, but it doesn't look like awful, but it's not great. But yeah, if you want to see me do my makeup first, then you can just keep on watching. Alright, this is going to be interesting. Okay, so, again, excuse me, I'm still a little sick, so we're just going to deal with my raspy voice for today. Okay, so I normally finish, I guess, by setting my face, so I guess that's what we're going to start with today. So I'm just going to take my Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray and set my face, maybe with your primer. Okay, this I guess kind of depends. Sometimes I do this second last, sometimes do my lips. We'll just go ahead and do this. I apply mascara to my bottom lashes, so it's going to be so interesting. I'm just gonna warn you, I'm not gonna do a crazy look today because I just can't. Okay, we got some bottom mascara and that looks so weird without anything else on my face. Okay, next would be lips. Okay, so for lips, we'll go with my favorite combo. This is my current favorite combo. This is the Dose of Colors times iluvsarahii liquid lipstick in Nude Chica. I think I did already use this in a video once, but I've been using it a lot, so I'm out of breath because I just went up the stairs. I have no energy. Okay. Oh crap. I guess I need to do the gloss first. We'll do the gloss real quick and then do more of the other one. This is hard. I'm probably gonna mess up a couple times. Okay. So we'll go back in with this. I mean, it mixes, so I guess that's not too bad. Okay, what's next? I guess the next would be blush. Because I'm not doing falsies today, and sometimes I would do that after face makeup. So we're just going to go ahead and go with blush, because I think that's what would be next. And then we're just going to cover this all up with foundation, so it's going to be great. And this isn't even going to show, I guess it's showing up a little bit. And this will look. And then highlighter. Can I still spray my brush? We'll go ahead and do that. I'm just going to use this one. I haven't actually used this in a while, so. Hopefully this will come through my foundation a little bit. Okay, and then bronzer and contour, so I guess, oh man, we're gonna go with the bronzer first, and then cream contour. Oh, it's gonna be so bad. I could just do this, but I feel like I shouldn't cheat, or like, take the easy way out too much. So I guess we'll do both. It's so weird without anything else on my skin. Coming along greatly. We're gonna go with the cream contour because I have been doing this a lot, so I feel like I need to do it. So I'm just gonna see how this goes. Oh man. just looks more patchy. Definitely just going on bare skin. Foundation being no. Powder would be nice. I guess I should have done this before I contoured, but I guess we'll do it now. Still bad because it's before foundation, so there's that. So while that bakes, we'll go ahead and go with concealer, I guess. So, going with the Fit Me concealer under my eyes, as per usual. And then this one. Blend that out. Hopefully I'm not missing anything so far. I think I'm doing okay as far as the steps. I just know I have to do my brows last, which is unfortunate. But okay, I guess we'll go ahead and dust away the bake. You know, if the concealer was darker, it wouldn't look terrible. So I guess next would be foundation. So this should be interesting. So just using my normal foundation. I am gonna get that the Born This Way foundation soon. So hopefully in the next video I'll have that. That's goodbye. Goodbye contour and highlight. At least I won't mess up my brows. This is gonna be so bad. Let's just never mind that. Oh my goodness, okay. Let's see if any of it shows through. I mean, you can kind of see something going on, right? A little bit. I mean, at least it covers it up nicely so it doesn't look weird, but I just don't get to put anything back on. I would say that my skin looks a little glowier though, so it's not, there's that. It's definitely weird having my lip stuff on before all my foundation and stuff. So can I skip the priming of the eyes then, since it would cover up my eyeshadow? Or, because I don't always prime my eyes, especially when I do the look that I'm going to do. So we'll just skip priming the eyes today. I don't know if that's cheating, but does my face look contoured and defined? Okay, so I guess next thing would be mascara, and then I'd curl my lashes. So this will just be my everyday makeup routine. Sometimes I go less than this, so this will be kind of like a medium, because lately I've been using a BB cream, but I decided I'd do like the whole foundation and contour and blush and everything. And curling it after is not the worst thing. I have done that before, but normally I do before and after. Well, usually if I ever curl them after, it's like I wait a little bit until they're a little drier. So now they're just super clumpy. Okay, so now would be eyeshadow. I'm just going to do what I've been doing pretty much for my everyday makeup, is just using a bronzer. Hopefully you guys don't think this is cheating. This like really messes up the mascara, I feel like, because you're like moving it and it just like clumps it together and stuff. I guess I should have done an inner corner highlight first, huh? It just looks so flat right now. Like I don't have any color. Okay, so I'll do an inner corner highlight. And then I'll go in with the bronzer again and do I guess I should have done this first too. Oh well. I feel like with these steps that it doesn't really make a difference. It doesn't matter as much. So I guess all that is left is eyebrows. So I guess I'll carve them out first with concealer. I know actually some people do this first, but I never do this first. This is really weird. I'm like mixing up my eyeshadow now. This is when it all goes down. For me this doesn't even like do anything because I don't know. I have such thin brows that I feel like if you have like thicker brows, maybe it makes sense, but with mine it just... Who is texting? So then just go ahead and fill in the brows. And I can't carve them out now. So bad. My brows are way too thick now. Before I could always be like a little messy because then I was like, I'll just clean them up with the concealer. And nope, can't do that today. I look like such an amateur. It's because I haven't had my brows waxed in a really long time and it makes the hugest difference when it comes to the brow game. This is bad. My brows, oh they look so bad. They're so thick. I don't think I can pull off thick brows that are so unruly. Yeah, I was not meant for thick brows, I'll tell you that. Is that it? I think that's everything. I don't think I can wear this out. So there's that. Okay guys, so this is it. This is how my makeup turned out, doing everything backwards. I think it wouldn't look terrible if it weren't for my brows. My brows are just not there. I can't carve them out afterwards. And I mean, I don't really have any color going on, so there's that too. But I hope you guys enjoyed and found it funny. Not helpful, because I mean I did everything wrong, so. But if you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos. Hopefully I won't sound like a frog next time. But yeah, that is it. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Ooh.